Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljeet from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to work with Audi 2007 A4. I have a issue with my AC not working, not cooling, throwing just hot air. When I check, my AC not engaging. So most likely I'm out of Freon, no gas. So in this video, we will be filling gas and Audi A4 2007. Gas is R134A. I have a 18 ounce already bought. I believe Audi need like almost 22 ounce. That's the easy and cheapest way to fix. I will try the gas. If the gas didn't work, then we will keep troubleshooting and see what happened, how we can fix AC not working on our Audi. So I bought this one for about like a $30 plus tax, and they charge me $10 for can because they don't want you to throw away their can because they have a gas inside. It's not good for environment. So if you fill gas in your car and empty can, you can take to the AutoZone. They will return and give you $10 back. Otherwise you will be losing $10 plus. We have to be recycled properly. I have this can. It's pretty simple to fill. As you can see, this tab, you can see I have a blue. The way they made a purpose, like if you push gas through this hose, this tab gonna be blue. That's the why any store you buy, they know you have already used this gas. So now I show you how you can use this can. Pretty simple. It comes with everything. You don't need any other tool. Just take this top cover off. Then there's a push button. So now we need to find on our car like where we can plug this one. Actually is in-feed suction side. We're gonna just a quick plug in, then we can shake this can and press this button. It will fill the gas. Before you start, first you have to start your car, put AC on full cooling and fan and full speed. Then you need to locate, there's two hoses here like you can see from AC, this one out and this big pipe. You can feel this connector not gonna fit on the wrong side, so this will not fit here. So now we have to find, if you look this cover, and Audi A4 special is over here, and this connector only gonna go over here, otherwise it will not fit to the wrong connector. So that's the suction side. As you can see, I have already almost green. Actually because my car was noisy, so I have to make a video after to show how I have filled. So when I started my car, AC Freon was at the blue, like almost low. So I filled some, I put on green right now, I put all gas. So you need to be make sure when you're filling gas, like you press and you keep pressing this button, means like you engaging that gas going inside the AC, and you don't want to be go to the red either. Like if your needle go to the red, that means it's too much, your AC is still not gonna work. You need to be stay in green, like in the middle of the green is look like great. If you plug in this one and without even filling the gas, your car shows like a needle at the green, that means you don't need a Freon. But if you on blue, that means yes, you need a more Freon. If you on the red, that means you have a too much Freon. So you can also remove some. Just careful, put a mask on and all eye protection and everything. Once you're done, just disconnect this one. You can put a can cover back. This is cap. If you think your car is leaking frequently, then probably I will say you can use any other method. You can also pump an UV color. You can also put some soap and it will start bubbling. That's all you have to do. So in my case, when I put a Freon and it's empty and it's already, my car start cooling down. So now this can I'm gonna take back to AutoZone and I will get $10 back. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with the new topic.